Kinds of article. At first we have to know that what is articles. So you can define it by this sentence. Articles are member. Articles are member of a group of words called determiners that are used before nouns. Article always used before noun. So this is the definition of articles. After that we have to know how many kinds of articles. So I hope that all of you know that there are two kinds of articles. First one is definite article, and second one is indefinite article. So at first we have to know the pronunciation of definite articles. All of us are always being confused to pronounce the definite article. Sometimes we are pronouncing the and sometimes we are pronouncing the. So it is better that we should confirm that where we have to pronounce the and where we have to pronounce the. If the word you are writing the, if the word the is used before a consonant, if the word the is used before a consonant, then we pronounce it the. Okay, I hope you better understand. I am also giving you example. As example, you are looking, he is the Shakespeare of India. He is the Shakespeare of India. So you are looking, Shakespeare is written at first letter is the consonant, and before that the is used. So that time we have to pronounce it the, not the. Okay, and if the is used before vowel sound, then we pronounce the. The is used before vowel, then we pronounce the. By the example, this is the ant. This is the ant. Ant is written by the first letter. What is first letter? A. So we have pronounced it the. So I hope by this example you have understood that where we have to pronounce the and where we have to pronounce the. After that, knowing the kinds of articles and the pronunciation of articles, we have to know the position of articles, where we can place the articles. It is very important topic for us, because without knowing we cannot place articles anywhere. Okay, so first, article is used just before a noun. Article is used just before a noun, that means before a naming word. In the example you are looking, give me a book. Book is what? Noun. So before that we have used article a, that is indefinite article. In second example, if there is an adjective before noun, then article is used just before adjective. In first sentence I have told you that article is used just before a noun, and in second I am telling you that article is used just before an adjective. Okay, just before an adjective which is just before noun. यानी कि noun के पहले अगर कोई adjective word है तो वहाँ पर हम लोग आर्टिकल को प्लेस करेंगे, एडजेक्टिव के पहले प्लेस करेंगे. इन एग्जाम्पल यू आर लुकिंग, दिस इज अ वेरी ओल्ड स्कूल. This is a very old school. You are looking that school is noun and old is adjective. So just before it we have to use article. This is a very old school. After that, we have to know that what are the third. If there is an adjective before noun and there is adverb before adjective, then article will be placed before adverb. Very simple. In first sentence I have taught you that before a noun. In second I have taught you that before adjective if there is adjective before noun, and in third I am telling you it is placed before an adverb if there is noun, if there is adjective, and if before that there is adverb, then we will place article before adverb. In example you are looking, he is an extremely kind man. He is an extremely kind man. In sentence you are looking, man is noun, kind is adjective, and extremely is what? Extremely is adverb. So before extremely we have to put the article. So I hope you have understood that where we can place the articles. I am going to continue this topic. So in fourth I am teaching you that article is generally come just after all, both, such, and double and half. That means if in a sentence there is all, both, such, double and half, then article will be placed after these words. As example you are looking, all the boys are there. All the boys are there. You are looking, article is just after all. If you have to write a sentence by using double, such, then you will place article after such and double. Okay. Now in last I am teaching you, I am telling you, if in a sentence adjective comes after how, so, and to, then article comes after adjective and before noun. Do you understand? If in a sentence article comes after how, so, and to, then article comes after adjective and before noun. You are looking in a sentence, how fine a day. How fine a day. So what is noun? Day is noun. And what is adjective? Fine is adjective. And you are looking between these two words, I have placed the article. So you have to also place the article between adjective and noun. Thank you for today, and the rest part of this chapter will be continued in my next class. Thank you for today.
So after explaining the first part of article, in the second part I am going to teach you about the second part of article. As you know that there are two kinds of article. One is that indefinite and second one is definite. In first part I have already described you about the indefinite articles, and in this part I am going to teach you about the definite articles. So at first we have to know that what is article. What is article? Before knowing that, this has been described, that what is article has been described in first part, and in this article part we are going to know that where the article is used. If a singular countable noun come at first in a sentence, then we use a or an before the noun. But if noun is started to repeat 2 or 3 times, then we use the. That means एक ही सेंटेंस में अगर कोई नाउन आता है, पहली बार आता है, तो उसके लिए हम लोग ए और एन का प्रयोग करते हैं. लेकिन अगर वही नाउन दोबारा रिपीट होने लगता है तो हम लोग उसके पहले द का प्रयोग करते हैं, डेफिनेट आर्टिकल का प्रयोग करते हैं. इन एग्जाम्पल्स, मोहन बॉट ए पेन. यू आर लुकिंग, मोहन बॉट ए पेन, द पेन इज जापानी. फर्स्ट टाइम पेन is used, so we have used here indefinite, but the pen is just repeating in this sentence, so we have used the definite article. Okay, after that we are going to know the usage of second. Where secondly we are going to know that where the definite article is used when singular countable noun is used to express the whole spices, then we use the. that means किसी एक नाउन से अगर उसके पूरे जाति का एक्सप्रेशन होता है तो वहाँ पर हम लोग डेफिनिट आर्टिकल का प्रयोग करते हैं. जैसे द टाइगर इज अ डेंजरस एनिमल. टाइगर इज अ डेंजरस एनिमल. दैट मीन्स टाइगर जो है डेंजरस को एनिमल कैटेगरीज में डेंजरस को एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है, इसलिए हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर द टाइगर लिखा है. दूसरी तरफ दूसरा एग्जांपल भी हम लोग दे सकते हैं. द काउ इज अ डोमेस्टिक एनिमल. दैट मीन्स काउ जो है पूरे डोमेस्टिक एनिमल को एक्सप्रेस करेगा, तो वहाँ पर भी हम लोग द का ही प्रयोग करेंगे. ओके. आफ्टर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू नो द नेक्स्ट यूज ऑफ definite article. It is used before the name of invention, musical instrument. That means किसी आविष्कार और किसी म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट के पहले हम लोग definite article का प्रयोग करते हैं. जैसे he likes to play the guitar. Guitar is the musical instrument. That's why we have used the guitar. Okay. I hope that you are better understanding by the example. Next we are going to know that whenever the structure of sentence is, you will see, whenever you are looking in a sentence, there is at first noun and after that of and then noun, then we use the before noun. अगर the है, noun है, of है और फिर noun है, तो हम लोग the का प्रयोग noun के पहले करेंगे. Here you are looking the example. He likes the tea of India. That means you are looking tea is also noun, India is also noun, and between tea and India there is of. So before the tea we have used the. You are looking, this is the structure of the tea of India. The tea of India. That's why you have used the before tea. Okay. He likes the tea of India. Okay. After that we are going to know the next. If in a sentence there is expression of selection in comparative sentences, then we use the before comparative adjective. As we know that in comparative sentence the definite article is not used, but whenever there is expression of selection, then we use the. By the example we can better understand that. We can better understand that what is, he is the cleverer of the two. You are looking, the cleverer is the comparative word, and before that we are using the, because he is the cleverer of the two. Between the two person he is the clever. That's why we have used the definite article. It is clear. So after that we are going to do next part of the article. And what is the next part of article? If wishes increase, that according to the ratio of getting. That means अगर हमारी इच्छाएं हमारी प्राप्ति के अनुसार बढ़ते जा रही हैं, तो वहाँ पर हम लोग द का प्रयोग करते हैं. ओके. द. By the example we can better understand. So see the example on your screen. The more he wants, the more he gets. You are looking, the more is the comparative word. So before that more we have used the. What is the meaning of that? मतलब जितना वो चाहता है, वो जितना वो चाहता है उतना ही वो पाता है. उससे ज़्यादा, मतलब जितना वो पाता है, जितना चाहता है उससे ज़्यादा वो पाता है, फिर भी उसकी इच्छा कंप्लीट नहीं हो रही है. इसलिए हम लोग कंपैरेटिव वर्ड मोर के पहले डेफिनिट आर्टिकल का प्रयोग किए हुए. इन नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू नो दैट इट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड where when one person has two qualities, then the first qualities of person article is used. अगर एक ही पर्सन में दो क्वालिटीज है तो हम लोग पहले क्वालिटीज के साथ डेफिनिट आर्टिकल का प्रयोग करेंगे. यू आर लुकिंग इन द एग्जाम्पल. The great leader and the philosopher is here. The great leader. There is a quality, the great leader, and another quality is what? The philosopher is here. So we have to use the great leader and philosopher. You after that we will see that the next it is used before the name of epic, river, mountain, day of month and before uncountable noun. दैट मीन्स हम लोग किसी ग्रंथ के पहले, नदी के पहले, माउंटेन के पहले, डे ऑफ मंथ एंड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन के पहले डेफिनेट आर्टिकल का प्रयोग करते हैं. सो द रामायण, द कुरान, द हिमालयाज, इट इज द एग्जाम्पल. द रामायण, द कुरान, द हिमालयाज. ओके. After that we are going to see the omission of articles, that means where the article is not used. Okay, articles are not used before the name of language, game, nature, science, life, freedom and death. लैंग्वेज भाषा के पहले, गेम के नेम के पहले आर्टिकल, नेचर, साइंस, लाइफ, फ्रीडम और डेथ के पहले हम लोग आर्टिकल का प्रयोग नहीं करते हैं. In by the example we can see on the screen, Wordsworth was a poet of nature. We can't write the poet of nature. Wordsworth was a poet of the nature. We can't write. Okay, of the nature. If we are using of the nature, then it is wrong. Next, it is also not used before the noun. It is not used before the noun which comes after appoint, declare, elect and made. They elected him president. We know that before the name of president designation we have to use the, but there one word we have elected, we have used elected. That's why we not used the president. We cannot use the president. Okay. The is not used before the president. The is not used before the president. Next, the is not used before the president. Next, article is also not used before the name of person, town, village, state, country, continent, name of subject, name of day and month, name of headlines, telegrams, notices. That means आर्टिकल का हम लोग प्रयोग किसी विलेज के नेम के पहले, स्टेट के नेम के पहले, कंट्री नेम पहले, किसी सब्जेक्ट के नेम के पहले हम लोग नहीं कर सकते हैं. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, यू सी द एग्जाम्पल ऑन द स्क्रीन. सो इंडिया इज ए बिग कंट्री इन एशिया. वी कांट राइट द इंडिया. यू कांट राइट इन द एशिया. If we are using in the Asia, if you are using the India, then it is wrong. Like this we can give the another also. He likes the history. He likes the history हम लोग नहीं कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि अगर वो सब्जेक्ट का नाम हो जाता है. I live in the Bihar, we cannot write because it is the name of a state. So I hope you are better understanding that where the article is not used. Okay, so after that we are going to know the next omission of articles. Next omission of articles is that this is to be over for today, and I hope that if you have understood, then you will vote in your comment box, and if you have any problem you can also write your problem in comments.